Hey there, future crypto tycoons. Ready to dive into the world of Bitcoin futures trading? In the next 2 minutes, I'm going to break down how to get started. Let's go. First, you need to open an account with a brokerage or platform that offers futures trading. Think CME Group or Binance. Got that? Great. Next, deposit the required margin. This is a percentage of the futures contract's value. Think of it as your ticket to ride the Bitcoin roller coaster. Now, choose your contract size and expiration date. This is where you decide how big you want to go and for how long. Here's the fun part. Decide if you believe Bitcoin's price will rise or fall. If you think it'll go up, you buy or go long. If you think it'll drop, you sell or go short. But remember, folks, Bitcoin futures let you profit from price movements without actually owning Bitcoin. That's a huge plus. However, keep an eagle eye on your position. With volatility and leverage in play, margin calls can happen if the market moves against you. In summary, Bitcoin futures trading can be a thrilling ride with potential for big gains, but it's also high risk. So, trade smart, stay informed, and always be prepared for the unexpected. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more investment tips.